Hey friends, if you wish to download Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and then open the Microsoft Store. Now search for the word Epic and then go to the Epic Game Store. Click on Install and let it install. Okay. It will start preparing to install by launching a Windows installer. But you do not need to do anything from your end because when you're installing something to the Microsoft Store, hitting the install button is sufficient. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.